Ekyanga kya Rwenzori kyona kiine omubaro gw'abantu abarikurenga omu bukiikuro bushatu obu kiine districts nka Kabarore, Kyenjojo, Kyegegwa, Kitagwenda, Kamwenge, Fort Portal, Bunyangabu, Kasese, Ntoroko hamwe na Bundobujo. Nikigambwa ngu ekyanga eki kitwire kitiine mushaho weena w'amaisho okuheza emyaka 10.
Itwe tukarora obwetaago bukooto muno kuruga mu kiikaro kino. Ekikaro kya Rwenzori nicho kime ekikaro ekitagira marwaro ga maiso kandi kokurora emyaka 10 erabireho babire batine na doctor awo osokweta specialist owa maiso. So nkimanyisa ngu abantu bona abayebine oburwiro bwa maiso eira mbayijambarara rundi nibagenda Kampala.
Okuchondozo kwakozerwa aba Rwenzori Region Development Organization of the Blind omu mwaka gw'2009 kikashanga ngu abantu barikwingana emitwaro 8 n'ekicweka okuruga omu kyanga eki biine oburemezi bw'okuhweza.
This region has not had a single specialized eye doctor in the last 10 years. And because of that, there's been a very big increase in the burden of blindness and the other conditions which cause vision impairment in this region.
Ekyokureeberaho ahirwariro rikuru rya Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital, Dr. Bako Beatrice omushaho w'amaisho ahirwariro eri nagira ngu batwire batine ebyokukoresa omukoraho abantu abaine oburwire bw'amaisho.
Initially, the challenges we have been having is we don't have consumables, we are not having the instruments to measure or to investigate this disease. But now we have got donation of equipment, some consumables to start the project, and this will run for the next 3 years.
When you go to Wing Hospital, referral hospital, for instance, you find that the facility, the eye facility, is not well catered for. There are those machines that these people use to screen the eyes. They look like torches. They don't know the technical name. At times they don't have cells. You go there, they don't have cells. And at times they are eye scanners which are not functioning.
Ebihandiko kuruga mu National Health Medical Information System nibyoreka ngu hagati y'omwaka gw'2020 mu kwezi kwa-10 okusi omwaka gw'2021 ekyanga ekya Busoga nikyo kyabire nikisingayo abantu abahumire.
And we are going to sensitize people on issues of causes of blindness, how to avoid blindness and how to treat the eyes.
Okumaraho ekizibu eki abarayonezi club batongozaho kwombeka irwariro ry'amaisho eri omurembo mu Fort Portal eryeserwe Kabarore Rayonezi Site First Secondary Eye Center Project. Ehuriro y'okwombeka irwariro eri neija kumaraho sente zirikwingana miliyoni 50 omuza Amerika. Gasha kwa Jonathan Tusengwire.